Hey guys, welcome to the video. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys a slime package that I got from ANDREA. I love her videos and I love her channel so much. So yeah, I ordered this package from the store Etsy from her slime shop. So here it is. It says fragile made with care, and as you can see it comes from Etsy. So here we're gonna open it. So here it is opened, and it's fish scales and mermaid tails, fish bowl slime, and then it comes with the instructions. I do get that it comes sticky, so she gave me activated, and yeah, just told me to keep away from pets and everything. Right here it says learn from Andrea, and I'm covering the part where it says my dad's name because he ordered it. So here finally is the slime. It is so pretty, guys. I love this slime so much. So as you can see, I was really excited. And it says Peachy Babies, I think. So it has this lid thing. And of course it came sticky because this took me about a week to get here. So I didn't wait that long. And I know she gave me activator, but since I had activator myself, I decided to use that. I'll use her activator when this one finishes. So it says to pour in as much as you want. And I'm just gonna mix it up. Until I got the right consistency that I wanted it. And here is the sounds it made. So if I had to rate this slime from 1 to 10, I would give it a 10 because it was so amazing. I also love the smell. It smells like coconut. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.